Evaluating exponential expressions means I want to plug in and solve. Plug in and simplify. And whenever you have an e to the x, you have to make sure you use the e to the x button on the calculator, which is next to the 4. Yeah, it's next to your 4. So if I have e to the x ln of y, I want to write out what I'm doing so I know where I'm plugging in values, especially if it's a show your work type problem. So e raised to the 4 natural log of y is 9. If I typed it in the calculator, it would look like e caret parenthesis 4 times the natural log button, which is next to the 4 as well, parenthesis 9, close the parenthesis for the natural log, so that's a pair, and then close the parenthesis for the exponent, and that's a pair. So if I type that in the calculator, I would get 6,561. This one, they give you the equation. These are usually word problems, and they have much more information on the Regents type questions. But I'm given 7 years, and that's my t. That's my time. So 7 would be my time. I initially invested $400, so that's my p, my principal value. So 400. My interest rate is 5%. But any percent you always have to change to a decimal because your calculator doesn't automatically know you're typing it in a percentage, so you have to change it to a decimal. So 0.05 would be changed to percent, or a decimal, because you have to move it back 2 spots. And I want to know how much that would be. So if I just plug into my equation, a equals p times e raised to the rt, type in what I know, so it'd be 400 times e raised to the rt would be 0.05 times 7. And that's my whole entire exponent. If it was in the calculator, whoops, I'd want to type in 400 times e caret parenthesis 0.05 times 7. Close that parenthesis. You want to make sure you have a parenthesis around your whole entire exponent. And if I type that in the calculator, you get 567.63 if you rounded to the nearest cent.